In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction. If you want to let visitors know that your website is still being worked on, Wix makes it pretty simple to create a temporary page that looks clean and professional. This is a great option if your site is not ready for the public yet, but you still want people to see a branded message instead of an unfinished website. To get started, log into your Wix account and click Edit Site so you can open the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, go to the left side of the screen and click Pages and Menu. This is where you can manage all the pages on your website. Next, click Add Page and choose Landing Page. For this setup, you will want to select a template that fits the purpose, such as a coming soon or maintenance design. These templates are ideal because they're already made to communicate that your site is temporarily unavailable while still looking polished. After that, give the page a name such as Under Construction and click Done. Now that the page has been created, go back to the Pages and Menu panel, hover over your new page and click the three dots beside it. From there, choose Set as Home Page. This makes sure visitors land on your temporary page first when they visit your website. Once that's done, click the three dots again, open Settings, and turn on Hide from Menu. Hiding it from the menu keeps your navigation cleaner and helps avoid confusion for visitors. In the same Settings window, go to the Layout tab and change the layout from standard to no header and footer. This is an important step because it removes the main navigation area, which helps prevent people from clicking through to other unfinished pages on your site. Now you can customize the page so it matches your brand. Edit the text, adjust the background, and make sure the overall look feels consistent with your business or project. If you'd like, you can also add an email sign-up form so visitors can be notified when the full site goes live. That's a useful way to stay connected and build interest before launch. When you are ready to reveal your full website, return to Pages and Menu. Click the three dots next to your original home page and select Set as Home Page. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner to make your changes live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.